Then like that, I waited for a privacy time to speak with my wife. So one day I was in that afternoon time, lunchtime. Like that one day I saw my wife is carrying something behind her. Being asked one, I thought she is playing with me. I asked her, what is it? She is giving an answer like slapping on my cheek. It's none of your business. Then being an Indian husband always upper hand. Those days, in 90 days, not now. Then I ran away behind her. I saw a nasty rat cloth. I told her to use the cloth to clean my two-wheeler. Then I understand she is adopting that unhygienic method to manage her period days. Then I asked her, why you are adopting this method? There is sanitary pad in the shop. She replied instantly, I also know about that. I am also watching TV. But myself and your sister, my sister, two sisters, start using that pads. We have to cut our family bill budget, she replied, in 1998. Then I saw what is the connection between using a sanitary pad and not buying the milk for family. I understood it is a matter of affordability. Then being a new husband, I am again the impression. Because whenever I am getting a chance, I buy 5 rupees a plastic pendant, and 10 rupees glass bangle, wrapped with newspaper, and then topped with the gift pack. Then I say, close your eyes, Santi. And turn left, turn right. The indirect value addiction without spending. Getting a chance, I want to push my wife. But in which way? Buying a sanitary pad packet for my wife. I went to the medical shop. Even now, if you want that particular product, all brands, the only available place is the medical shop. It is a small village. I have gone to that medical shop. The shopkeeper looking at me like that. Because it is a small shop, small village. That's why I am laughing seeing that Google or that Facebook or Twitter. In my village, if you clap your hand a little bit louder, within a minute that news will spread everywhere. More than go to Facebook and Twitter. So the guy know I am newly married. Oh my God, you are coming to this level, you are buying this for your wife. Okay, what brand you want? Who knows brand and all? I just figure out inside the showcase. Because previously while I am cycling in front of the shop, I thought, why that medical shop selling bread? That's a bread bag. Very closely I am telling, and then I looked at like a bread. Because the size is big means price is big, it's the psychology of that. Then I selected a small size packet. Then he took the packet on the day, that shopkeeper spread a newspaper, they put the packet on that newspaper, wrapped very urgently, then looked left and right. He handed over me like a smuggling. The same situation even now happening even in Bangalore, Mumbai. If you ask sanitary pad, they will wrap with that brown cover or something brown paper. I have not asked for a condom. I simply asked for sanitary pad. Then you think about buying a condom from medical shop. Anyone is roaming in front of medical shop after 11:30 in the midnight. When I take the packet to my home, so out of curiosity I want to know what is in it. I open the packet and taking out the napkin. I am touching the napkin at the age of 26 or 27, I think. I am asking the gentleman here, have you ever touched a sanitary pad in your life? I know 99% no. That's what Manmohan Singh never touched. Ghulam Nabi Azad never touched, being health minister. Many vice chancellors of college, even the IMB college chancellor, they don't know what is a sanitary pad. That's why sanitary napkin usage penetration in India is only 2%. Next, I decided I made a sanitary pad. The next day I wrapped with the newspaper. As usual, close your eyes, Santi. And hand over it. The moment you open, you get shocked. Because I need a women volunteer. If anything I am doing in a workshop or something, workshop helper, I can do it in workshop. So being a sanitary pad, where can I check? Where can I check? I need a women volunteer. In India, only Gurujis and saints, all Nityananda surrounded by women. The saint they want or not, voluntarily the women will surround her, not less than under women. Then Murugananda don't get any choice, only available choice is Santi. Then I hand over the sanitary pad. Here the problem is every month making sanitary pad and waiting for a month. That also I came to know. Previously I thought menstruation means it happened Monday or Friday. Then Santi says, no, I have to wait for some time. Then understood it's a monthly problem. Then even being a wife and sister, they are not ready to talk the subject with even husband and brother. Then they discouraged me to drop the research. That I never dropped. I used medical college girls. They also bluffed me. Then I tried napkin myself. How you know? I wore a sanitary pad. In a football bladder, I filled animal bed. There is a tube connection to the football bladder and my napkin I am wearing. While I am walking and cycling, the tight football bladder, I made a small breast, a dosage of blood go to the sanitary pad. This way I checked. So this what even now, if you ask who is that the first man set on the foot on the moon, like that the first man set on that Mount Everest, Tenzing Hillary. The moment he was told Muruganandamna, oh, the first man wore a sanitary pad. It is a title everywhere, even in Times, everything, they give the same title. So then, my wife misunderstood. She separated from me. She sent a divorce notice because she thought I am using this research as a trump card, roaming with medical college girls and all. Then my mother also left one day because I am taking back the used bag from the girls and storing at home. Then the whole village thought I become a psycho, I become a mad. Either they want to tie my legs with iron chain in a particular tree to take the barefoot from me, or they want to expel from my village. Then I will voluntarily come out, then I find out what is the raw material in it. Even finding the raw material, what is it? The next problem is coming, you need a multi-million-dollar machine to process the raw material. So what you will do, even educated person, already 2 years are gone, wife separated, mother separated, the whole village chased out with my village. The second problem is coming, you need a multi-million-dollar machine. I am alone, staying with 5+1, the 5 roommates who, they are all Kalasis. After that 4 years, I slang on the wall, I slept, not laying completely on the floor. Almost 90% of my night spent on that slang on the wall. Even now you are putting room in any big star hotels, I will stand on the bed, then slowly I will slide on the bed. Then I never bother about it. I use this tool. I don't know whether you are having this subject in IIM subject. I adopt this method. So one want to know this, you have to study in Stanford or Oxford for 4 years or 6 years, not like that. It is simply, it's a trial and error method. So being educated person, you want immediate success, you are not ready to do some trial and error. Everything you want to do it on a first stroke perfection. It is not possible. Only routine work only can be possible to do it in a first stroke perfection. If you want to achieve a new, or if you want to create a new business or something, you have to go to trial and error method only. That's what the world, I'm having a small 10x2 at the back of my home called trial and error department. The same is called in NASA, ISRO, these people are telling this like this. That's why the young people from even IITs or anybody they're telling, the moment they saw, oh my God, it's nothing but large scale colliding, they're doing underground, searching for God's particle, God particle. There also they're doing the same. There also they're doing the same. Now they're seeking 60 kilometers of tunnel. Then what they do is, so this day, up to that they made a trial. So you don't worry about doing trial. Even if you are failing for 999 times, you don't worry, you can achieve on 1,000 times. So this way you can achieve. That's what I told you, prepare yourself whether you are going to achieve or you just simply survive. So out of it I created this simple machine. So previously that industry is macro and centralized model done by Johnson and Procter & Gamble with multi-million-dollar investment. That industry out of my innovation converted into micro and decentralized manufacturing activity. See, that's why this innovation called as a disruptive design for biggies. It is a disruptive design. That's why their laptops are saying Muruganandam business model is going to be the biggest threat for your industry soon or later. That's why always they are following me with a blank check. Take it, take it, take it. Okay. So after that I never bothered. You see. I decided to give this mission only for rural women. So I am creating my own market. I told na, that black and white world, 80% of that market. I never taking any piece of the Johnson cake or Procter & Gamble market share cake. I am creating my own market. 100% of my sale happen out of pull. I never push one product. If you have a beautiful innovation or a real product, you don't need yourself to trumpet. I am having good product. It trumpet its own. I never spend 1 paisa for advertisement. The whole 6-7 crore worth of advertisement came through magazines as an articles. Okay. So you see my stakeholders. A unit set up in Himachal Pradesh, Foothill. The message took by dog is back. You see the back view of the unit. The multinational will take another 25 years to reach the place. So this is called, you are calling as rural marketing. Somebody called one day, I am calling from business school. Are you Muruganar? Yes, sir. Are you supplying any of your mission at bottom of pyramid? Immediately I said, no, I never supply any mission to pyramid. I am giving only blind places India. Then one day came this economic pyramid, this pyramid, oh my God. Everything I did, then I got. So now finally I called as a social entrepreneur. Okay. After that, it is the napkin is created. It's a co-creation with my wife. The business model is co-created with my mother because I lost my father at my younger age. My mother took risk of raising myself. I saw this business model is very well as in giving sustainable livelihood for women. That's why I'm selected my mother like women only. I'm giving the mission. That makes me as a social entrepreneur. In schools, the girls are making their own pads on the 4th floor like a koli vada, like hot koli vada. Their own sanitary pads. It happened for doing this. I got the President Award one day. Now this is the news not only in India, it is spread like a fire all over the world. It is an independent magazine in London. Recently in Canada, Forbes. You see not only that in developing nation, that napkin problem, it is a mail from US. An American lady claiming she is not able to afford the sanitary pad. I grew up very poor and used to roll toilet towels, the toilet paper in my underwear to have observers. I am having hundreds of mail like this from Germany, from Tokyo, from Singapore. So this is the problem everywhere. So what do you need to build a new organization or something you want to dream something? So not opportunity, a problem. Find out a problem faced by society, address yourself with your knowledge or something, come out as a business model, something with your IIT friends or anybody. So your organization or business model should be a solution to your problem. Otherwise, if you stick on this, you put on this. If you think business means this, then there's all the people will come, McKinsey, that Goldman Sachs, Brasman Sachs, Hindustan Liver, Gear Liver, all livers will come. I told you this, I am trying to construct my company on a measurable social impact. No fellow will touch me. Because at any point in time, Muruganandam never need a luxury yachts with 10 bikini girls. That's why I decided to build my organization on a measurable social impact. That's there. So decide, that means I am not doing service, I am also doing a business on a need-based profit margin. Say about less than a bank interest of India. 12% is a bank interest. I am playing a 10% margin. So the whole campus of IMB chasing a girl. Only one boy is not chasing the girl. What will happen to the girl? See, frustrated, why that boy is not coming with the girl? He sort of chasing the boy. Chasing the Mahalakshmi, I never chased Mahalakshmi. The Mahalakshmi frustrated me. She is following me. So this is the money is followed by me. I never giving it disvalued money. So the money it is a byproduct of what I am doing. So by this way, even you can appear at billionaire club. It is possible. Okay. So now 706 machines set up in 23 different states. The measurable social impact created is 7,000 rural employment. The rural will get livelihood created. 3.5 million women shifted from rag cloth to sanitary pollution method. Not this model is a very big subject. I need hours to discuss. The vision is creating 1 million rural employment for women, making India's 100% sanitary pollution country from current level of less than 5%. This is what the platform here also. So not only India, now this is the model is very well matching for 106 developing nations. You think about it. This is called second white revolution. Next, Korea. the stage, many people will try to do a small thing in a grand manner. Marriage is a simple. They will do in a grand, in a flying flight, in a moving ship. Marriage is simple, but they will do in a brand, very grand. But my style is doing a grand thing in a simple manner. You adopt this method. Try to do a quick thing in a simple manner. Always watch your feet, whether it is touching the ground or not. The moment it is going up 1 minute, again you put down.